Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share to you the DEPED school calendar for 2023 to 2024. So okay, as you can see here, this is for the month of August, September, and October. So in October will be our first quarter examination. And here you can see the month of November, December, January. And so these are the things that will happen in those months: February, March, April, and May, and July. So that's it. Thank you for watching here in my channel, and consider subscribing and follow or support my YouTube channel. So thank you.